If you are here, you are already way smarter than the person sitting next to you, because you know that YouTube is one of the best ways to make passive income online. But you either don't know where to start or you're afraid that you're too introverted or too shy. Stick around to the end of this video to find out if you can make money with YouTube and if you can do it even as an introvert. The simple answer for how to become a YouTuber is just start making videos. Yes, it does get more complex than that, but if you spend too much time worrying about what you're going to say or how you're going to look, or if you have the right lighting or camera in the beginning, then you are never going to get started, and you need to get started. Yes, your first video is going to be terrible. Here is a clip of my first video.
So, APPS, Apps Automated Profit Partners, what is it? It's a high-ticket affiliate marketing program that uses Facebook Messenger for traffic, and it's in the making money online niche.
It's terrible. I was using my webcam on my computer and a $40 microphone, and that's it. But I just kept making them and learning and leveling up as I went. And I'll tell you what, all the biggest YouTubers say the same exact thing. Mr. Beast is the biggest YouTuber on the internet and the most successful. He makes millions of dollars per month from YouTube. And his first video was bad too, but he just kept consistently making them every week until he got better. So you have to just start. The one thing that you have to do before you start is pick a niche to create YouTube videos around. You have to have a vibe, a brand. You can't just make videos about cars one day and cats the next. Otherwise, YouTube won't know who to show your videos to, and they won't get seen. So before you make videos, spend some time picking and planning what you're going to make videos about. To do this, you need to know the value that you are going to bring to other people. Are you helping people in some way by creating these videos or entertaining them? Are you an expert at something and you want to share your knowledge? There has to be some kind of value that you're bringing. Which leads right into the fact that it's important to know why you want to be a YouTuber. Why are you putting out content in the first place? What is the purpose of each video that you are uploading? The why is going to help you make difficult decisions throughout your journey. And it's going to make your videos more authentic, which is going to make them better. Think about the type of videos that you like to watch. When you can relate to someone because they are being authentic and real, it makes you want to watch that person more, right? So when you know what it is that you are trying to achieve, you can consistently make content that you like making and that people like watching. Which brings me to the next thing you need to know how to do as a YouTuber. You need to know how to identify the people who are responding to your content. The more they respond, the more YouTube will show your videos to them and the sooner you'll go viral. So you need to know who your audience is. Which brings us to the next step if you really want to make it as a YouTuber. You really need to make videos based on data and less on emotion. You obviously do need to have emotion in your videos and there's emotion behind your videos, but you can't get emotional about your videos. You have to just look at them in a critical manner and read the data. If a whole bunch of people don't like one of your videos, you can't get upset about it and delete it. Which is hard when you're creating something. It's hard not to have emotions about it. Like, why didn't anybody want to watch my video? Like, do I suck? But you really have to try not to feel that way. And this is where most YouTubers give up, because it's hard. But if you can just put your emotions aside and keep making videos and looking at what's working and just making more videos, you will continue to get better. And you'll already be beating out 99% of people. Just focus on the data, learn from other YouTubers, and make the changes. And another thing that's extremely important if you want to keep making it as a long-term YouTuber is you got to know how to make money. There are all kinds of ways to make money on YouTube. Sponsorships, partnerships, shout-outs, ads, and affiliate marketing. The two main ways when you're just starting out is from ads and from affiliate marketing. With ads, YouTube will pay you to just let ads run during your YouTube videos. So after you make a video, this is completely passive income. Anytime your video plays an ad on it, which happens automatically, you receive a small commission and it gets paid out once a month. The second way to make money is with affiliate marketing, meaning you can promote other people's products by placing a link in your description and getting a commission every time somebody clicks that link and buys the product. For example, if you click the link in my description, it will take you to a product that I promote, which happens to be a complete training course on creating a YouTube channel and building a high-ticket affiliate marketing business from it. So basically, it's teaching you how to copy me because it's what I do to make passive income every single day. So if you want to learn how to do what I'm doing and make hundreds of dollars a day in passive income from YouTube, click the link in the description below to watch the webinar so you can get a full tutorial of how it works. That's a wrap for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video on Get Free with Annie, and I hope that you choose today to get free.